Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about the Pictory logo, adding PNG photos, and of course, if you want to change them around, move them around, and pretty much everything when it comes to adding your specific logo on your videos. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below. That can come with a free trial, and of course, should you want to upgrade, I'll also put a coupon code where you can save some money in the future. Alright, so let's begin. This is a very easy process. So when you have your video here, this is just the sample one I used in my previous video, but you're going to want to click on branding. Now, before I get into that, there's going to be the intro and the outro. So normally it's going to be like this. Oops, let's go back over here where it says enable intro scene. And for me, I turn it off. Personally, I don't like really long intros or really long outros. I like getting to the point, so I've never really messed around with those. Like I don't use those too much. I'll just talk. But if you wanted to do it this way, I will show you. So just for the intro scene, which will show up right here. Right here is where you're going to want to upload your logo. I do recommend using a .png. That means it's going to be transparent and you can kind of see through. Or maybe if you have an image, you want to kind of remove what's going to be around it. This is a good website in case you want to try it out. It is remove.bg. So just to give you an example, this looks like a cup of coffee. I'm just going to click on this and you can see how it works. I did another one there too. So before and after. So this is a neat little website in case you want to remove some of the background and then you can save it and use it. But there's plenty of ways to do that. I just wanted to show you that one. So I'm going to upload my logo. Okay, and there we have it. Just like that, our logo has changed, but it's a little bit too big, so we can change around the size there if we want to make it a little bit smaller. The opacity is pretty much how much you're going to be able to see it. Obviously, if you go all the way down, it's going to be like a ghost. Probably going to be mostly towards the top, maybe a little bit lighter. It really depends on, say, like what your intro, your scenes look like, but let's just keep it as that. We also have our logo position. Really up to you. I mean, you could put it in the middle if this is going to be your intro, and maybe you just want it to be like super big where you have words or some animation. That's going to be up to you. We also have, like, say, on the bottom right, that's kind of where I put mine on YouTube. So if I was doing that, I'd probably put it somewhere else, like the top right or the top left. That's going to be up to you once again. And of course, that's just how you can change it with the intro. The outro is going to be the same thing if you use it. Once again, you're just uploading it right here. You can change around the size, the opacity, and so on and so forth. But now we have our scenes. So upload logo. As you can see, there's not a whole lot to do here. I'm going to click on scene 1 to start off there. Let me upload that very quickly. All right, so I have my transparent logo, and I think maybe it's going to be a little bit too big there. There we go, something like that. And of course, we move on to our next scene. There it is. So pretty simple stuff if you ask me. What I like about this is a good way of you watermarking your videos. Unlike, you see watermarks here. Maybe if you have like the free plan, there's a Pictory one, but I don't know about you, but I get a lot of my videos stolen. So it's always funny when you have your watermark and then someone steals it and it's like, well, obviously, so that's up to you, but that's the very easy way where you can add your own logos. Maybe you want to put a different picture. Even if it's not a logo, maybe it's going to be your face, your branding, your name, whatever it's going to be. I also gave you that website in case you need help removing some of the background. And that should pretty much do it when it comes to this video. If I left anything else, please leave a comment down below. And if you have any other questions, you can leave a comment as well. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.